All right. Well, today going on a bit of a different thing. I'm not on the Rebel right now. I'm at my local Harley dealership doing a test ride for a 2024 Road Glide. This thing is absolutely stunning in white. Very cool. You can see all the flake. Oh man, this is so much bigger than the Rebel. Holy shit. Already it's just damn. Actually, I can adjust these so I can see behind me. I think we're good there. Oh wow. Yep. See where our friction point is on this thing. God damn. Oh. These God damn, that thing is way fucking high up for a shifter. Holy shit. Alright, but so we're on a 2024 Road Glide. Pretty nice. I like the cockpit. Pretty good view over everything. These the floorboards are a bit farther in than I thought they would be. I keep trying to, like when I'm going off, it's man, I can't even think right now. So I keep missing the floorboard when I'm trying to put my feet up. Oh wow, nope. Shit, I thought the fucking rear brake on the Rebel was high. Man. Nope. Okay. God damn. I am not used to using a clutch. Holy shit. I got spoiled with the Rebel. The fucking DCT. Anyways, what I was saying was the floorboards are in closer to the bike and I keep missing the right one when I try to go from a stop. Also, I've noticed that the rear brake and the clutch pedal are so fucking high. Like I definitely have to get those lowered or something. Fucking 60 miles an hour, I barely feel a damn thing. I got wind up on my shoulders. Cruise control pretty easy to set. Just push down once and then another one. I can't really reach it with my thumb too much, so I'd have to adjust grip on it, but it feels pretty good though. Like I feel like I can move pretty good on it, like just going, tipping over. I mean, it's a big old bag here. It's not gonna tip over like the fucking sport bike or the Rebel, but these bars are a lot higher than I'm used to. It's not necessarily bad. I think I just have to get used to the height and the angle, but the thing I'm noticing right now is there is some slop in the throttle. Like I can pull it out and push it in by, you know, 1/8 of an inch or so maybe. This thing's got 19 miles on it. I like the mirrors, like they're good shape. I can see behind me really good, and I barely had to adjust anything on them, so that's nice. I don't remember what the technical specs on this is. It's I want to say like 102 horsepower or something like that, and then like 129 pound-feet of torque. I'm not really sure. I do like the seat though. It fits my butt pretty good. Like I'm not, I don't feel like I'm falling over the sides. It's not like super wide, but then again I have a fat ass, so it might be too wide for some people. Yeah, but for what it's made for, it seems like it's pretty good. Just cruising along. Like I don't feel any buffeting on my helmet really. I'm not like getting punted around in the wind or anything. That's pretty nice. Front brake is nice and responsive though to pulling in. Like you don't have to squeeze it in a lot to get it to activate. Clutch going out on it is kind of weird. It's just a weird amount of friction zone on. It's like when you like I can barely get my hand around it on the grip. Like I can barely get my fingertips over it. And I saw some reviews online, well not reviews, I saw a video online from one of the Harley engineers saying that they put it as close to the handle grip as they could, and that's why it's not adjustable. But like I've got decent sized hands. Like I don't have like giant hands, or I don't have tiny hands, but like I'm having trouble I have to reach for it. Like I literally have to, you know, move my hand on the handlebar to be able to get it pulled in. So definitely that would be something I would have to change. I don't know what it is, like the brake lever and clutch lever just feel fat to me. I don't know. Alright, but we're 6th gear right now, 65, 2.5 RPM, or 2,500 RPM. Not bad. I feel a lot more wind coming at me this way. We had it feels like it's coming from the northwest over there. So it was behind me when I was on the other road coming down here. I don't know if it's actually playing music right now, but I can't hear shit. Looks like it's on 105 FM radio. I don't know if that channel actually has anything, and I don't want to fuck around with it to find out. Hey, someone else out for a ride. Woohoo! I will say I do like the redesign of the fairing and the light. The front headlight on the Road Glide looks a lot better than what it used to be, or at least in my opinion. Let's see, is it? Oh, it's pretty easy to get into neutral. Pretty easy. I will say, when the bike is up and standing, it does not feel that heavy, even though it's an 800-pound bagger. I think what, 820, I want to say, or around there is what the The weight of this thing is what? I really do like the feel of this though. It's, oh, see there I go, missing my fucking foot peg, or not foot peg, the floorboard again. I am definitely not smooth on my shifts. Like, holy shit. I need to ride a manual more, man. DCT's got me spoiled. I do like it a lot better though, having a manual shift. It's, I don't know. I drive a manual car. I just like shifting on my own. You know, like, the DCTs are great for people who like it, especially if they have like a disability that prevents them from using their left leg or left hand to shift. I mean, that's great. But I think I would still prefer the manual. It does take some getting used to having right turn signal on the right and left on the left. I'm used to it all being on left. Well, that's a Harley thing, really. Yeah, I was kind of wondering how the air cleaner on the side would be with my leg, because I got big legs, long legs, and I was wondering if I would smack into it or not, but it's tucked in to where it's like I'm barely hitting it with my leg, so that's pretty good. I definitely have to get the position of the shifter moved if I got one of these. It is way far up. I have to lift my foot up off of the floorboard to shift. Which is not the best. Low fuel range, yes, I know. That's nice. Under 40 miles, it yeah, okay, so under 40 miles it tells you that you're on low fuel. That's kind of nice. And here we got a little bit of city. Handles the bumps really well, actually. I'm surprised. Well, you barely feel it going over, like, oh, barely feel it. And we're back. There's kickstand on this thing right there.